How to categorize your TikTok account. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe right now and turn on the bell button so that you don't miss any video I publish. Make sure you hit the like button also. So let's get started. Now guys, you're going to open your TikTok account. Then guys, come on your profile on TikTok. Make sure you're logged in into your TikTok account. Then guys, press on edit profile. After pressing on edit profile, they are going to bring you this page. You're going to scroll here and then press on category. Then guys, after pressing on category, TikTok is going to bring you many categories. TikTok has a lot of categories, so it's you to choose where you belong. You can scroll into these categories. We have art and craft, baby, beauty, clothing, education, and many other categories. Guys, you can scroll and find where you belong on your TikTok, on this TikTok, where your niche belongs on TikTok. So guys, you can scroll into the categories. If you don't find any category where you belong, you can press on other. You can press down here on other, and then you add your category as other. Then guys, it's very good to categorize your TikTok account. Helps you grow your TikTok account because TikTok pushes your content to those people who are most interested in that category. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.